Renowned for its high-end luxury vehicles, Mercedes-Benz creates an ideal foundation for manufacturing armored vehicles and delivering an exceptional driving experience. Coupled with INKAS industry-leading armor, the S-Class provides a reliable and comfortable ride for its passengers with discreet 360-degree protection when security is a paramount priority. The armored sedan based on Mercedes-Benz S-Class, typically the S580 model, boasts a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine with 496 horsepower and 516 pounds-foot of torque, and all-wheel drive with 9-speed automatic transmission. Featuring best-in-class intelligence technology, this high-tech luxury vehicle offers collision avoidance, lane assist, smart suspension, and more. INKAS delivers full perimeter protection while maintaining the original performance and ride quality. This vehicle is expertly engineered to withstand many types of attacks. This new INKAS armored sedan based on Mercedes-Benz S-Class W223 body style is now available for worldwide delivery to all major seaports, as well as air freight upon special request.